Today, we welcome you to Disney's newest and most unique theme park yet, and we invite you to explore the adventures from within. One of our newest and most exciting adventures is here in Condor Flats. This high desert airfield pays tribute to the daredevils and dreamers who led us from the barnstorming age to the space age, and is home to the preeminent flight adventure of Soarin' Over California. From early existence, man has looked to the sky with dreams of one day experiencing the thrill of flight. It was in California that many of those dreams were first realized. Soarin' Over California celebrates the dreams and the spirit of aviation with exhilarating airborne adventure over the spectacular sights of the Golden State. I would now like to introduce two aviators who continue to test the limits of aeronautics. With modern-day dreams of breaking one of aviation's last records, these two collaborated to build and then fly a very unique aircraft that carried them non-stop around the world in 9 days, 3 minutes, and 44 seconds. The aircraft was the Voyager, which took off from Edwards Air Force Base right here in California. Please welcome two modern-day aeronautic adventurers, Dick Rutan and Jeana Yeager.
Thank you, Mr. Pressler. It's more than a pleasure to be here today and be a part of this California adventure. The one thing that Voyager did for me was validate that anything is possible, even the impossible.
As a pioneer aviator and builder of the Spirit of St. Louis, T. Claude Ryan once said, "I remember my very first flight. As the beautiful rolling hills of California spread out below me, I felt freedom. Perhaps years to come, others can be helped to enjoy the sight of clouds all around you, of sunrise, of sunsets, while soaring above the cities, farms, and rivers of California, unfettered. May today you discover this same freedom of flight as you embark on our newest adventure, Soaring Over California."